Yeah, it's Dr. Mo here from Chiropractic Care Center, from Fairfax office. We got Ben here. Ben is a breakdancer, a professional breakdancer almost. He's really good, and he works with fish. So he has a fishing store, kind of. He works out online there. Ben today he came back with shoulder pain on the right side, upper back pain, and he has a little bit of low back that's out. So I'm gonna adjust everything on him. So Ben, go ahead and go face down for me. And the shoulders in the front, right, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Deep breath for me, Ben. All the way out. Beautiful. Yeah. All right, this side up for me, Ben. Facing this way. So when was the last time you said you did push-ups? When was the last time you did push-ups?
Yesterday?
Oh, yeah. No more push-ups for you. One more. Okay. Same thing, other side. Deep breath. All the way out. There it is. Good. Let's go face up for me, Ben. Hello. All right, have you sit face the left side for me. Man, that was tight.
Oh, man. Whew. That's good.
So the pain is in here, but a lot of the tight muscles are back here.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I was saying you got to do more pulls
Okay.
and less pushes on your shoulders.
Okay.
So let me start here. All right, Ben. Have your hand out like this. Slowly, I want you to go like that. Okay?
Okay.
Ready? Good. Bring it all the way up. Yeah, see? When was the last time you got a massage?
I don't even remember.
That's too long then.
Yeah.
Alright, next one you gotta do, cool tattoo. You gotta start here, you gotta shift and go up. Good, start from there. Good, ready? Go ahead.
Yeah.
Good, one more. So just so you know, what this is ART, active relief technique. As he goes up and goes across, the muscle comes out to me. As the muscle comes out to me, I'm able to strip it down for him. One more time. Ready? Good. Oh. All right, man. Until next time, buddy.
All right. Thank you.
Yep.